Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 28th, 2022. We're going to talk about Robinhood stock today and try to figure out if the buyers are buying the dip in Robinhood. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I make sure that we have an edge in the market. And the edge that we have is actually being in position and predicting where prices are going to go. So to those who are new, if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel. To all of my day ones, man, thank you. I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate all of the views that we receive from the videos, because it lets me know that you all are interested in learning more about this so that you can do this for yourself. Continue to do that. Tap that bell notification as well too, okay? Now, I did a video in Robinhood on June the 29th. Here it is. You guys can see that I was playing the weakness into the market in Robinhood. You guys can also see that I wasn't massively bearish in the stock. I wasn't looking for the market to crash in Robinhood. I had my area of support right there around $7.71. You guys can see it wasn't that long after I completed my video that the market in Robinhood came pretty much to that area, right? This is one of the most powerful things about understanding how the market works, is that you can kind of get a gist as to how low the market's going to move. You kind of get an understanding as to how high the price is going to go so that you can take the bag. Look at that. I would say what, 4 trading days into me creating the idea that Robinhood was going to go down, and it did. And it pretty much came down to that level, right? You guys could have gotten at least what, 12% out the market in a couple of days. Yeah. See, this is how you're able to maintain and keep your emotions in check. It's because you know how to play the markets. Pretty good call for those who also saw the same thing. Let's get rid of it, because overall, every time we saw the price in Robinhood dip, right, come down to around $8, the market comes back up. It dips. $8 comes around, market goes back up. It dips, market goes back up. It looks as if somebody is not wanting to let price go down in Robinhood. That's fantastic. The only problem that I see lurking that's going to move the market, that is going to increase volatility, is this earnings that is going to come through next week, August the 3rd, okay, at the close. So we may continue to see the market run up in Robinhood now leading into the earnings. And then once that comes through, price is going to go back down. So you may have a small window of opportunity to capitalize off of Robinhood moving up, because the buyers have definitely shown themselves that they want to lift price, right? We're in an uptrend right now. Okay, we're in an uptrend. So let's identify that then. We are going to identify the trend. We are not going to break the trend. If we understand that market is trying to move up in price, we need to continue to follow that same notion until it changes. Now, I'm here. I want you all to see this, okay? We can tell that the market in Robinhood is getting rejected. I will say around $9 first here. That's a rejection point. Okay, that's one area. And then that second one is around $9.50. Okay. These are the problem childs. These are the areas that we would expect the sellers to be positioned, right? $9 and $9.50. We need to see the buyers take that area out in order for us to really see the market move in Robinhood. Okay. Now, the only thing that I will tell you is, as we've noticed that this market is in an uptrend, if we get rejected again at $9.50 or even $9, market will have to hold 8 in order for us to maintain a consolidational trading range. Okay, we would have to see just like that. Look at Robinhood on the 2-day chart. So you guys can see that, yes, we got rejected right there at $9.50. Not a surprise, because we saw the same thing here. Market got rejected. So this is where the sellers are at, period. But here on this 2-day price bar, we're noticing that the buyers are coming in around $8.50 to like $8.25. Okay, so this is where the war is going to be waged between the buyers and the sellers. Now, this 3-day price bar, I do not like. I don't like that right here. If I was looking for the price to continue to run up, my attention will be a little bit more attentive now, basically because of what we see right here. This lets me know that the market in Robinhood is not extremely strong. It's not that bullish. Okay. Look at this on the 5-day chart, excuse me. See, we still saw some sellers come into the market, and in Robinhood, we closed off of the highs. Okay. So right now, the buyers are here buying the stock in Robinhood, but it's not massively bullish. That's one thing I would tell you. This stock is not massively bullish. Okay. So I still suspect that the price is going to try to run up, but I don't think we got that much room for it to move. I really don't. My only concern is, like I said, it's $9. And then I'll say like $9.25 to $9.50. I really don't think, because I think the market's going to try to maintain a very tight range until earnings. And then when the earnings happen, that's when it's going to either collapse or it's going to explode. Okay, so I'm not really looking for too much price movement leading into this earnings. Okay, so let's see what we have though. Because my price targets is going to be real tight. That first one's going to be around $9. Like, that might not even be worth putting on the price prediction. That's only a 1.35%. So I think the market's going to fall a little bit short to 950. That's only 6%. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to put on a price prediction yet. I am bullish, slightly bullish, not massively bullish in Robinhood. I do suspect that the market's going to try to continue to move higher, but seeing that the sellers are around $9 and $9.50 and that we can only inch out like 6% out the market, I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, but those will be my price targets for us to see the market in Robinhood trying to run. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to kick back and let this market work for me, because I want us to see if the market's going to break 950 to the upside. Because if so, we'll definitely have some other things to talk about. Okay, so now it's your turn. How do you think the market's going to play out as we run up here towards earnings on August the 3rd? Let me know. Okay. So let me say this. I mean, I'm still looking for the market to run up. It's just that the risk against how much money or profitability we can get is just not worth it to me. But it's your choice. Let me know what you're going to do. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.